I've been in the rain of his mercy, felt the waves of his spirit wash over me, and stood in the wind of refreshing that only comes from his presence. I've seen visions, received words of knowledge, and watched miracles unfold before my eyes. I've seen hardcore bikers bow before Christ and rise up as preachers of the gospel. These aren't just stories, they are living proof that the Bible is authentic, alive, and active today. The scriptures declare that these signs shall follow them that believe. Mark 16, verse 17. Paul reminds us that signs serve as evidence even for the unbeliever. 1 Corinthians 14, verse 22. What I've witnessed is not theory, it's the Bible proving itself in real time. The rain, the wind, the visions, the miracles. These are the Spirit's fingerprints, confirming that the Word is not just ink on paper, but the living breath of God. In 1 Corinthians 14 verses 21 to 22, Paul quotes Isaiah, "With other tongues and other lips will I speak unto this people." He then says, "Wherefore tongues are for a sign, not to them that believe, but to them that believe not." Historically, it's unmatched. Thousands of manuscripts, archaeological finds, and even outside historians confirm its reliability. Prophetically, it's precise. Jesus fulfilled words spoken centuries before his birth. Spiritually, it's alive. Millions testify that Scripture has carried them through storms and transformed their lives. So here's the punchline. If the Bible is historically reliable, prophetically accurate, and spiritually transformative, then it's not just authentic, it's authoritative. And authority demands obedience. The question isn't, is the Bible real? The question is, will I align my life to it? When we speak of the Bible's authenticity, we are not simply asking whether it is old or influential. We are asking whether it is trustworthy, whether its words carry the weight of truth that can anchor a life and guide a generation. Authenticity means that the Bible is genuine in origin, reliable in transmission, and powerful in application. It is not a book that merely survived history. It is a book that has shaped history. From a historical standpoint, the Bible stands unmatched among ancient writings. With thousands of manuscripts preserved across centuries, its text has been transmitted with remarkable accuracy. Archaeological discoveries such as the Dead Sea Scrolls confirm that what we read today is consistent with what was written long ago. External historians, from Josephus to Tacitus, provide independent testimony that aligns with biblical accounts, reinforcing its credibility. Yet authenticity is more than preservation. It is prophecy fulfilled and unity sustained. Written by over 40 authors across 15 centuries, the Bible tells one coherent story, God's redemptive plan through Christ. Prophecies spoken hundreds of years before Jesus were fulfilled in detail, demonstrating divine orchestration rather than human coincidence. Finally, the Bible proves its authenticity through transformation. A blueprint is only trusted when it holds weight under pressure. Likewise, Scripture has carried the weight of countless lives, cultures, and nations. It has confronted kings, comforted the broken, and inspired movements of justice and mercy. Its words continue to pierce hearts and renew minds, showing that it is not only authentic, but alive. To explore the Bible's authenticity is to recognize that it is historically reliable, prophetically accurate, and spiritually transformative. And if it is authentic, then it demands more than admiration. It calls for obedience.